Welcome back, happy campers. My name's Amanda here with Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're going to take a look at this 2021 Transcend 265BH. But first, before we take a look at the outside, I want to remind you guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment below. Is there anything we missed? Do you have any questions? We would love to help you, but let's get going on the outside. On the exterior, we're going to take a look at the fact that there are two doors on this camper. There is one in the master bedroom, and then of course your main entrance here on the side that goes towards your entertainment space. But also, let's take a look at this big awning. This awning is huge, and they do have a nice LED light underneath it just in case you're partying in the nighttime. Outside also includes an outlet source and a cable source if you want to put a TV out here. That's always very fun. But let's take a look at the storage. Pass-through storage, massive as usual. Same things you want to keep in here, things you want to pull out easily into your outside entertainment space. We got our hoses, our outside hoses and everything, but let's switch inside. Starting off in the kitchen of this camper, you've got your usual massive countertop space. We have a 3-burner top stove here with a nice accent lighting. Microwave up top, plenty of storage for plates or any extra appliances you want to bring while you're out on your outdoor adventure. Over here, we've got huge drawers, more storage underneath our entertainment area. And on the side right when you walk in here is your control panel. We do have our switches for our tanks and everything, and I believe that our stereo system is over there as well. It's usually easy access when you walk in. But right across from it is the only slide in this camper that houses your theater seating and your gas electric fridge. But can I mention that this camper has 4 sleeping areas? Let's count them. First, the sofa that transforms into our first sleeping area. Super convenient for day naps or anyone else that wants to tag along. And then sleeping area number 2 and sleeping area number 3 that comes with some extra storage here on the side, wardrobe, some hanging areas for people in the front here on these bunks, and lots of extra storage underneath all of these beds. But let's move towards the master. Moving towards the rear, towards our master, we're gonna pass through this bathroom in this camper. So we have lots of countertop space, places to put your towels, a large medicine cabinet as usual, and the shower, just for size. I'm 5'11", so I fit very comfortably. You have your standard squeegee door for no mess, spill, or anything. And then a removable shower head, but this camper is winterized, so that doesn't work right now. Let's go towards the master. And sleeping area number 4 is the master in this camper. Usual, both sides have a mirrored storage option with a hanging rod inside as well. Different side tables on each side with cubbies for things to be stowed away a little bit easier, and some storage under the bed, I guess, as well. And exiting out of our second entrance of this camper. But what do you think? Do you like this camper? Want to know more? Visit us here at Cookeville RV or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com. And don't forget, at Cookeville RV Marine, your adventure awaits.